Since I wrote a sad song, sunshine on my face, I'm feeling okay. Nothing's in my...
Alright you guys, amidst the craziness of moving, we have events to go to today and tomorrow. So this is the look, pretty casual. We are going to view a company's new collection today, so I'm excited to bring you guys along to that. And then I think I'm gonna grab lunch with Alan afterwards before I come back and like just continue packing and the moving process, which feels like it's never ending. But I'm gonna throw on my New Balances and let's head out.
I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good, can't complain. It's like I'm losing my mind, and time's hard to find. What's a girl gotta do to catch a break up when life tries to test?
Alright you guys, we just finished up at the Novus event. All of the pieces are so stunning, like they're amazing transitional, all the tech in them as well. I'm just so amazed by like the intricacy of the pieces. But we are heading over to go meet up with Alan now. That's kind of what's up. They gave me a salad, but I think we're still going to go grab poke bowls or something for lunch.
I take it one day at a time, 'cause I
Just got home and it is so much hotter outside than I anticipated. So I'm gonna go hop in and take a cold shower. Honestly, probably chill for the rest of the day because it's been such a busy week packing and stuff. And like I'm almost fully packed and ready to go. But I thought it would be fun to just kind of bring you along. I feel like I never did an intro to this vlog, but I thought it'd be fun to kind of just bring you guys along in a little week in my life before I move, during the chaos, during everything that's going on. Yeah, that's kind of what's happening this week. I probably look a little crazy because literally it's so humid and hot out. My hair is just doing who knows what, but that's what's up. I think today, like I said, I'm just gonna relax, maybe go read outside, change into some cooler clothes because I am boiling. Good morning, you guys. We're heading out to event number 2 this morning with Maison Margiela. They're hosting a little brunch for their new fragrance launch. I'm just quickly going to do a little bit of waves in my hair so it looks a little bit more put together, and then we are heading out. I'm just gonna do some straightener waves this morning because that's what I'm feeling, just to add like a little bit of texture because my hair is pretty clean and has its own little wave, but I kind of just want a few extra pieces in here.
I was crying yesterday, but look at me today. It has been so long since I wrote a sad song, sunshine on my face, I'm feeling okay. Nothing's in my way. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. I put a dress on today, I don't care what you say, and I'm ignoring my phone, so don't try to reach me. I can't do nothing for you, so don't ask, I ain't coming through, 'cause I'm running away to my own world, that's where I'll stay. Yeah. When life tries to test me, I take it one day at a time, 'cause I was crying yesterday, but look at me today. It has been so long since I wrote a sad song, sunshine on my face, I'm feeling okay. Nothing's in my way. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good.
Alright, we just changed and got home from the Maison Margiela event. My place is a mess. I'm not even gonna try and hide it. Literally, I move in a week and everything. There's just boxes and stuff everywhere. But I'm gonna make like a mini lunch situation because I had brunch, which was like a lot, but I also kind of want something to eat before dinner. So I'm gonna throw on some soup or something and then go outside and sit. I know it's like 27 degrees outside, but I'm craving soup, and we're gonna make soup. But also the Maize and Margiela event was an absolute dream. My goodness, the brunch was insane. I loved the masterclass. I loved the whole floral arrangement. Also, just Maize and Margiela is one of my absolute favorite brands, so it was just an honor to be able to be there. Like I feel like I'm literally just smiling from cheek to cheek because I loved it. I'm so grateful that this is my life and that this is my work, and I love it so much. So I just wanted to say that, but I feel like sometimes I just need to express like how grateful I am that this is my work, that this is all because of you guys, so thank you. But I'm gonna make some soup and then we're gonna go sit outside and relax before I pack for the rest of the evening. My goodness, so much packing. I'm literally like up to my head in boxes. Like, let's just like take that in for a hot second, but let's make some soup. A few things in from Revived Superfoods, so I'm just having this little carrot ginger soup today.
Nothing ever stays the same. There's always room for better days. Now I know how to live life with a smile on my face. Nothing ever stays the same. There's always room for better days. I was crying yesterday, but look at me now, 'cause I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Say I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Alright, we are currently on our way to go pick up my coffee table. I'm so excited. So I sourced this from a vintage seller on Instagram. I'd been looking for not this particular table, but like a table in this style with the glass top and like marble stone bottom for probably like 2.5 to 3 months, just looking on like Facebook Marketplace, vintage sellers that I knew of on Instagram, and I finally found one that I absolutely love. So we are just heading to go pick that up right now. I'm really excited to finally see it in person. It's similar to the Maeve table that probably a lot of you have seen, but it's more, but it's like an oval shape rather than just a circle. So I'm very excited. Yeah. Can I have this slice of lime? Is there? Thanks. Slightly used, but whatever. Do I want one shot or 2 shots?
2 shots.
Thanks, Hayden.
2 shots. But you only need 1 drink.
Yeah. Hey, Hayden. Morning, you guys. Happy Monday. We are going to go see if she can drive and if she can get her full license. So yeah, I have my full license road test today, so that's what we are on our way to go do. I'm a little nervous, but like not crazy nervous. I've been driving now for like over 5 years, so I feel like I'm fine, and I do long drives and stuff and like highway drives, so I feel like I should be fine. But regardless, we're gonna go see if I can pass my road test, and let's go. Right, you guys, she passed. It was actually easier than I thought. I didn't have to parallel, I didn't have to reverse park, didn't have to do anything. She is a full license gal now. So now I have to go to Syrse Ontario, get my license renewed, also get my health card renewed. And honestly, there's not much else going on today. I'm getting my nails done and then heading home, keeping packing. I'm so glad that that's over and done with though. So glad. Here are the new nails. I'll give you a better close-up at home against a white wall, but I'm so happy with how they turned out. They're like simple, minimal, but like really pretty. Okay, I'm back home now after my crazy busy day of just running around, getting errands done, doing my driver's license, all that fun stuff. I'm gonna kind of chill this evening, trying to a little bit, but probably mostly pack because I'm still like not done packing. Let me give you guys a packing update because I haven't done that in a hot minute, and actually I don't think I've done any packing updates since my last like packing vlog, so let me show you guys everything that's done. Boxes are starting to pile up. We've got a crap ton here, we've got more over here, and then there's more in the office. So, and I'm not done packing yet. I still have a bunch of stuff to do tomorrow and tonight to see what I can get done. But tomorrow is kind of like a little bit of an off day. I'm gonna go to the gym. I have a bunch of packages to go and deliver, and then more packing, and that'll probably honestly be the end of the vlog tomorrow because after that the moving vlogs start. I'm so excited. Hello everyone, happy Tuesday. So I just finished lunch, did all of my errands this morning, went to the gym, all that good stuff. But tomorrow I get my keys to my house. I'm so excited, but it's also super bittersweet because I'm really sad to be leaving this place, and like, it's just really bittersweet. Like, I've been on the verge of tears every single night as I'm packing, and it's just been pretty emotional this last week. I know I haven't shown that much on the vlogs, but it's just been a pretty hefty process, and it's been pretty emotionally, physically, mentally draining. But yeah, tomorrow I get my keys, so you guys know what that means. I'm ending off the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this little week in my life, my last week in this home, in this apartment, before I move to my first home that I ever bought. I'm so excited. But I will see you guys in the moving vlogs. I'm so excited to be doing moving vlogs. I'm just so excited to share the whole process with you. I feel like there's going to be a lot of content and a lot of videos from it, so I hope you all are ready. But I will see you all in the next video, and I love you guys so much. Bye!